What to do to stop snoring. 5 recommendations that will help you. Snoring is a common problem that affects people of all ages, genders, and body types. It can be a source of annoyance for your sleeping partner or roommate, and it may even be a sign of an underlying health issue. Fortunately, there are several things you can do to reduce or eliminate snoring. Here are 5 recommendations that will help you stop snoring. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Change your sleeping position. The position you sleep in can have a significant impact on whether or not you snore. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue and soft palate to collapse to the back of your throat, obstructing your airway and causing snoring. Try sleeping on your side instead, which can help keep your airway open. You can also elevate your head with a pillow to further open your airway. Lose weight. Excess weight around your neck can put pressure on your airway, making it more likely that you will snore. Losing weight can help reduce snoring, especially if you carry most of your weight in your neck and throat area. Even losing a small amount of weight can make a difference. Avoid alcohol and sedatives. Alcohol and sedatives relax your muscles, including those in your throat, which can cause snoring. If you snore regularly, try avoiding alcohol and sedatives before bed. If you must drink, do so in moderation, and have your last drink at least a few hours before bedtime. Treat allergies and congestion. Allergies and congestion can cause inflammation in your airway, making it harder to breathe and increasing your risk of snoring. If you suffer from allergies or congestion, try taking an antihistamine or decongestant before bed. You can also try using a nasal spray or a saline solution to help clear your nasal passages. Practice good sleep hygiene. Good sleep hygiene involves establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding sleep disturbances. This can help you get a better night's sleep, which in turn can reduce your risk of snoring. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, keeping your bedroom cool and quiet, and avoiding electronics before bed. In conclusion, snoring is a common problem that can be caused by a variety of factors. If you snore regularly, try incorporating these 5 recommendations into your routine to reduce or eliminate snoring. If your snoring persists despite these measures, talk to your doctor to rule out any underlying health issues. With a little effort and some simple changes, you can enjoy a quieter, more restful night's sleep.